He once sat in these same classrooms, and now he's teaching in them. Jose Saenz is a proud Austin High School graduate and a product of the very program he leads today. Now he's preparing the teachers of tomorrow through the school's education and training pathway, part of the district's Career and Technical Education Program, or CTE.
The idea is to get students prepared for a career in education, whether that's teaching, administration, counselor, coach, whatever it need be, or whatever they want to pursue, they can pursue. Part of it is also too, like starting in 11th grade year, they do observations around the school. So they're shadowing a teacher here or in an office, shadowing an administrator or a counselor, and they help in that capacity. And then their senior year, we actually go to Cage Elementary, and they do 3 times a week there, helping teachers, helping the office, helping any necessary tasks that they need around the school. I tell the students a lot of times, I graduated from here also through the program, and a lot of times that interaction with the kids there is kind of what lets them know whether teaching is something that they want to do. I think also too, education, a lot of times when students think education, they just think teaching. But there's so many other jobs in education that they can do. And then not to mention just the communication skills that they build, the planning skills, the organizational skills that those transcend into any career that you have to do. So a lot of times I tell them, even if education is not the career you choose, the skills that you're putting together are going to make your resume that much stronger whenever you choose a career.